Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stream a game on Discord mobile. First, you will need a Discord application. So go ahead, open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, whether you're using iPhone or Android. Simply search for Discord application and make sure that you install the application with its latest version. Go ahead, open the application, log into your account, and now you need to join a voice channel where your friends are, and then click on join voice that is highlighted in green color and swipe up from the bottom of your screen. And at this point, the screen recording might stop. Tap on share your screen option that is below soundboard. Go ahead and tap on this option, then tap on try it out. And it will ask you whether to start recording or casting with Discord. Then tap on start now option. And after you share your screen, go to the game that you want to stream. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. This is how you can go ahead and stream games on Discord mobile. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.